Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add custom text before the number in the Divi Circle Counter module. This feature allows you to clarify what your values represent, like currency, units, or other labels, without relying on the default percentage format. We'll also discuss how this enhancement helps align your counters with real-world metrics and keeps the design consistent with your site's branding, thanks to dedicated styling options. Let's dive into how to implement and customize this for a polished, professional result. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the number prefix feature in Divi's Circle Counter module. This option allows you to add a custom prefix before the counter value, making it ideal for displaying specific data like currency symbols or units. Not only does this help your counters better reflect real-world metrics, but it also ensures they stay consistent with your site's design. This feature is part of one or more of our plugins, and you can refer to the Get This Feature section for the current list of compatible plugins. To begin, open the Divi Builder and navigate to the layout where you'd like to add your circle counter. In the module list, simply locate and click on Circle Counter to insert it into your row. This will add the module to your design, ready for customization. Next, let's add a number prefix and remove the % sign from your circle counter. Start by opening the Circle Counter settings and navigating to the Content tab. Here, expand the Elements section to access the number prefix field. Now, type in the prefix you'd like to use. This could be a $sign, a unit symbol, or any other label that fits your data. For instance, you might enter dollars for currency. Additionally, if you want to remove the default percentage sign, simply toggle off the % sign option. This will display only your custom prefix and the number, providing a clean and focused result. To style your number prefix, start by opening the Circle Counter settings and switching to the Design tab. Locate the number prefix section and expand it to reveal the styling options. From here, you can adjust various elements to match your site's design. For example, set the font weight to something like 600 for a semi-bold look. You can also customize the font size. For instance, try 18px for a balanced appearance. Lastly, choose a text color that complements your design, such as 22222222 for a classic dark tone. These styling controls let you seamlessly integrate the prefix into your overall site aesthetic, creating a polished and professional finish. Once you've customized and styled your number prefix to your liking, it's time to save and preview your changes. First, publish your updates and exit the Divi Builder. Next, open your page on the front end to see how everything looks. Your custom prefix, such as a $sign or unit symbol, should now appear directly before the counter's number, styled exactly as you set it. If you chose to hide the % sign, only the prefix and number will be visible, giving your circle counter a clean and professional appearance. Take a moment to ensure it matches your expectations and fits seamlessly with your design. In just a few simple steps, you can transform the Circle Counter module in Divi 5 by adding and styling a custom number prefix. This feature is perfect for showcasing currencies, units, or any other label that enhances clarity and maintains a cohesive design for your website. It's an easy and effective way to make your counters both functional and visually appealing.